Welcome to the DS18 unboxing videos. I'm Mr. DS18 and today I'm going to show you guys the Elite Z series subwoofers. We got all 5 of them on our table. We got the 12-inch, we got the 10-inch, 8-inch, 15-inch, and the 6.5 inches. Today I'm going to unbox this one. So let's see what's in the box. Let's start off with the manual. Got the manual. We got some measurements on this side. And on this side, we got all the specs needed for the sub. Now on the back side, we have a summary of specs, and these are the results we got from our test lab. It's a small diagram. .5 inches subwoofer. This little Z sub is 300 watts RMS. It has a 1.5 inch voice coil, double stack magnet, dual voice coils. We got one here. We got the other one there. This is foam edge surround. It's paper cone with fiberglass dust cap with a carbon fiber effect. This sub, from personal experience, is incredible. Compared to the 8-inch, I mean, look at the size. The 8-inch, obviously, it looks more buffy. It has a big, beefy surround. This is 500 RMS, has a 2.5 inch voice coil, 1000 watts max power, also has a double stack magnet. You got the foam edge surround, you got the glass fiber dust cap, carbon fiber effect. Next to it, you can see the big difference. Now, the 10-inch is 750 watts RMS, 1500 watts max power, also has a 2.5 inch voice coil. The 12-inch is 800 RMS, 1600 max power. Also is powered by a 2.5 inch voice coil. You can see here, the butt connectors on both sides are bigger than the 10 and the 8-inch for easier installation. Now the 15-inch right here, this little monster, is 900 watts RMS, 1800 max power. Also 2.5 inch voice coil, double stack magnet. The Z series subs are all dual 4-ohm voice coils. These subs are very affordable. They're very reliable. They give that tremendous bass you're looking for. And if you're looking for size, or size doesn't matter, or size is limited, that's why we have the 6.5, we have the 8, 15, 12, and 10-inch. So there you have it, the Elite Z series. Please leave your comments below, like this video, share this video. If you have any more questions, don't forget to visit ds18.com. I'm Mr. DS18. We like it loud.